Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Housmile Bed Vacuum Cleaner, a special-purpose mattress vacuum designed for effective cleaning. This powerful handheld device combines a high rotating frequency of 6,000 cycles per minute with a robust 14 kilopascals suction, ensuring thorough removal of dust from mattresses, bed sheets, sofas, and more. Equipped with an advanced HEPA filtration system that meets EUH 14 and USMERV 19 standards, it captures 99.9995% of particles as small as 0.1 microns, making it perfect for allergy sufferers. The upgraded UV light, which is 20% more effective than regular models, enhances its ability to remove pollutants, achieving a remarkable 99.97% efficiency. Additionally, the activated carbon filtration technology prevents secondary pollution, ensuring the air remains clean and fresh. Despite its powerful features, this vacuum is lightweight at just 4.5 pounds and includes a 250 milliliters dust collector, making it both convenient and efficient for everyday use. So, if you're looking for a reliable solution to keep your home environment clean and healthy, the Housmile Bed Vacuum Cleaner might just be the perfect fit for you. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.